Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna draw Wednesday with these things. It's actually a Wednesday fan art. So let's start. And how to draw Wednesday with this thing, let's see. We just have to take the measures of everything and then just make holes like this. And now I'm checking the height of the eye, like length. And in this way I will get to know about how the wide or height of the eye is. So I will draw the eye like this. Now I'm checking the width of the eye and I will mark the width and then draw the next corner of the eye, and we'll keep on doing all the features like this. And in the next video I will be coloring or shading in this sketch. I have made this already and it is very super, like it's looking very real and neat, what to say, I don't know, but it's just amazing. Now nose, taking the distance of nose from the eye like this, from the both eyes, we will mark or make holes on the paper and we'll draw the nose at these holes. It's just amazing idea for beginners who don't know how to draw with freehand methods or are not good in doing freehand method. But in some of the next videos I will be doing the freehand method and shading simple in the sketches. And if you really like this trick that how to draw sketches, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. Just don't forget. I'm drawing her dress now without measuring anything because I think it is not needed, but if you think it's needed then you can do it also with measuring and marking. Now drawing the thing without measuring. Now I'm taking the measurement of her head from the center of her eyebrows. And now it is just about to complete, and if you like the video, I'm asking again, just don't forget to subscribe my channel, it is needed please. So bye bye, we'll meet in the next video.